Hello everybody, it's Michelle, and can you guess what we're doing for our next critter plate in the farm animal series? We're going to do a cow. I found these cute little cowbells at Ben Franklin, and I think I'm just going to make a necklace out of that. I've got a short string here. This is paracord, and I thought it would be cute to make a necklace as the party favor that goes along with this to go on our cow plate. So I'm just going to push the end through that. I cut a piece of paracord about 26, 28 inches, something like that. It makes a nice short child-sized necklace. But if you are really doing this for a child's party, then I would suggest that you use some sort of breakaway clasp on there instead of just tying it in a knot the way I did. I didn't have any of the clasps, but I just wanted to show you guys the idea of making a necklace as a party favor for the child that is going to go around the neck of our cow. So now that we've got that, let's just set that aside. So for the body of our cow, we've got, of course, this cow print plate. This is just a paper plate I ordered online. I can't remember exactly where I got it from, but I'll try to find that link and leave it for you guys below. And they're pretty easy to find. I've seen these before at Dollar Tree and lots of different places, so that shouldn't be too hard to find. And I'm just going to use a white one for the head. And for utensils, I'm going to use black plastic knives with just that bottom end. See how those are shaped? I thought that would be cute, sticking out for hooves. And you can leave those off completely if you want to. I just thought that was really cute. And for our cow's ears, we're using black spoons as well. But for a cow, you want to put those ears really off to the side, because cow's ears come out the side, and just work with those until you get them perfectly how you want those to be. Adjust the head how you want it in relation to the body. And if you need a fork in your place setting as well, you can always put that underneath. Now that standing up there is going to help to support my plate that serves as the head. And that's going to allow it to sit a lot straighter and more stable. So I like to have that under there. Okay, now for the snout. You guys may remember I had the pink silicone cupcake paper for the snout on my pig. I got the pink for the pig from this rainbow set here, and that worked perfectly for my pink pig. But I ordered another set in these more neutral colors so I could use this fleshy peach tone for the snout of my cow. And I think that just works a lot better. You could use the pink one if you can't find these, but I will try to leave you guys a link. And I think that fleshy tone just works so much better for the cow. And that just makes it perfect. Now, let's see. I should have put this under there to begin with. But we're going to put our necklace underneath. That's our little party favor for the kids at the party. That's also going to look like our cow is wearing that cowbell. I think that is so cute. And again, I'm going to use Junior Mints for the eyes. And you could use any little candies here that you think would look good for the eyes. You can use the candy eyeballs. I use these a lot from Wilton, but I thought on that white background, I wanted something that was a little darker so those eyes would show up better. And I think he's adorable. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Craftie Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have all of those listed in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.